Knowing technology is usually just one part of a project. Working with a major West Australian healthcare organisation, our knowledge of the customer's industry was as vital as knowing the infrastructure. Understanding the operational and compliance pressures impacting our customer meant as they planned a new facility, we were confident we could help. The capabilities of a modern healthcare setting are amazing. In terms of technology, the stakes are high. Incorporating new developments fast has an immense impact on patient health.
Our customer already had to stretch their resources to the limit. Adding a large new facility to the existing environment could have presented unacceptable service risks. Priorities at the outset included consolidating and improving efficiency of the customer's footprint and reducing power consumption. Controlling licensing fees was also important. The IBM Power Systems solution we installed achieved all of this and more. We chose an infrastructure built to thrive on huge workloads without missing a beat, with virtualization technology that gives incredible efficiency. Enhanced security and compliance options were definitely a bonus. Needless to say, there could be no compromise on performance.
Both IBM and Fujitsu have the advantages of significant, highly skilled local teams. They're able to draw on resources nationally and globally. Our people are recruited and trained to lead the way in real-world solutions. We talk the language of our customers. Customers trust us to build healthy technology environments so they can focus on the health of their communities. At Fujitsu, we shape tomorrow with our customers.